Hi everyone, Mark from Opal. Yeah, just thought I'd quickly show you what we're up to. Just got this Kanga, basically a little mini loader we bought the other day. I'm just chopping up the trailer it came on and modifying it to how we want it. So I'm putting underfloor racks and basically making all these mounts at the front where I can put the Kanga attachments on. So it's a bit of a mess at the moment, but obviously this is on its side, so the auger's going to go there. Spare wheel, that's where the quick hitch for the auger goes. Massive strong front drop down door basically where the bucket's going to sit, and we had the Kanga flipping the trailer over, so that was handy. And yeah, still a bit of work to go, so then it's going to head off to the sandblasters, get blasted, and then we'll get it painted, and then we can go start mining again. Again, just thought I'd show you a quick video of working on this Kanga we bought. Basically an old machine. It's a TD825. Good machine. It's just been pretty much abused its whole life, so it's had a bit of a hiding. We picked it up at a pretty reasonable price, and I know I've got a fair bit of work I've got to do on it. So it basically needs a new spool valve bank, I'm guessing anyway. It's got a bucket that's creeping, so I'm going to pull it apart and have a look. Finally got the spool valve out. What a nightmare. Anyway, we've got parts and oil everywhere, but she is out. So what we found, we've actually got a dodgy spool valve. This one here, which actually is the tilt on the bucket. It's been creeping, so got a new part finally, and I'll put that in and see what happens. Yeah, like I said, we're just working on this Kanga. Pulled the spool valve out, had a faulty valve. Finally having a fair crack at it now. They've even sent me the right part, which is a miracle. So this is the faulty valve here, and that's going to be the new one. Sweet. So there's a little bit involved. Split the spool bank open, a few bits and pieces floating around, new seals, and yeah, all good. Hopefully we'll be back in business. Basically got the spool bank in, as you can see, all good. Kanga are pretty good with the parts. We've got them no worries at all. They fitted perfectly. So anyway, spool valve was working perfect. Gave it a run up the driveway, 10 minutes, bucket's working fine. Then there's a knocking noise in the engine. So basically got a mate, his diesel mechanic, come around and had a quick look. He reckons grabbing a cylinder. He said probably his previous owners sucked a heap of dust through it. So anyway, you get what you pay for. Not a drama. We have decided to put a brand new engine in it. So got on the phone, got on to Kanga, who deal with Kubota, and I've actually got an engine coming. So we'll get that put in, and hopefully it'll be pretty much a brand new machine. Alrighty, first start. She's away, finally. Well, this sucks. Brand new engine and had a fuel leak. Couldn't work out what's going on. It's pouring out there. Brand new hose from factory. A bit hard to see there, but at least we found it. Right, so this is the brand new engine fuel line. It's a return line. Had a pinhole in it from factory, so a bit unlucky, but that would explain why I had diesel pouring out everywhere. Anyway, all fixed, ready to rock and roll. Yeah, engine arrived. Basically pulled out the old one without too many dramas. Got an endless chain, pulled that out. Got a few photos of that. Like I said, this video is basically about buying an old Kanga, doing it up. I knew it had a spool valve problem. Wasn't really, so I didn't really know about the engine, but hey, look, that's not a problem. It's going to be a really good, reliable unit now. Anyway, so I got some video on that. Dropped the new engine in, no problems at all. Had to swap the fan over on it. Pinched the fan off the old engine because that was pushing air forward. Whereas the new engine, I think, what are they? Kubota D902, I think they are, something like that. That was pulling air with the new motor, so all I've done is swap the fans over. That's fine. Fired up, no problem at all. There was a slight issue, was dripping fuel out of the return, out of the injector return I should say, little hose that just got damaged either from factory or transit, who knows, not an issue. Pulled the old hose off the old Kanga I had, swapped it over, not a problem, and she's a goer. So goes really well. And what I'm going to do now is just basically clean it up a bit, give it a bit of a touch-up paint, new stickers. Yeah, basically just going to fix up everything on it. Basically there's a foot plate you stand on at the back which pulls a cable, which is like a safety device. So if you're using an auger or a trencher and you step off it, it actually shuts it off. So that's all busted, so I'm fixing all that up. Actually getting some stainless steel marine cable instead, make it a bit stronger and for what I'm doing with it. Once we get all that sorted, I'll take some more pictures and bits and pieces. So like I said, this video is just thrown together a bit, pictures, photos all over the place, so bear with me on that. I didn't actually think it through when I was doing it. I had my hands full doing things, so just to give you a bit of an idea of what it's like to do up a Kanga. Great little unit, and then hopefully down the track you'll see it mining. So thanks for watching.